everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I'm Tanya if you're new, and today we are making Christmas gifts, affordable ones. That'll be great for co-workers, last-minute Christmas gifts, and everything came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're making this popcorn bucket gift. Okay, so everything that came in here, we have some fiddle faddle. And I'm just going to, we can take it out. We have some red vines and M&M, chocolate M&Ms, Mike and Ike's. We even got some Snapple fruit punch, so you can get 6 on the go in here. And we have some chips, some Friday's potato skins. These are the cheddar and bacon. And we can't forget popcorn. This popcorn is good. So this is white cheddar popcorn. Then we have a caramel popcorn. All right, and so I just filled the bucket with a craft paper, and then I put some tissue, some gift tissue on top, okay, to make it a little more festive. Okay, so we're going to start with our tallest item. And put that in the back. And then we're going to have our fiddle faddle over here. Potato skins. Now we're going to have that. Have that on the side. We're going to put our Mike and Ike's. Isn't that cute? That would be great for a movie night, for Christmas, or... All right, so we're going to take our shred and give it some stability. You shred to fill in the gaps. And that's all we have to do. The hard part is picking out what you want. So because this is a popcorn or a movie night, you know, we're going to have the popcorn. We're going to have more popcorn. You know, the white, different. You can even do this just with a variety of different popcorns, okay? But these are all the things that I know my recipient likes when they're watching a movie. And so we have our white cheddar, we have our fiddle faddle, we have some chips, potato chips, red vines, got chocolate, got Mike and Ike's, and then you can put these, instead of a soda, you know, it's all sugar, but instead of a soda, you can have your bottled water and then enhance your bottled water. Okay, and then all of that's going to go. We're going to put it in a basket bag, and that comes from Dollar Tree. Take it to the back, take all that excess to the back of the box. your gift. Take that. Okay. And put your bow on there. So for around $10, you have a beautiful gift. This would be great for co-workers or your employees, or a hostess gift. Someone's inviting you over and everyone can share something out of here. The host won't have to provide everything. They can put the potato chips and popcorn out, and so everyone can help themselves. So yeah, so that is our movie night or popcorn themed gift basket for Christmas. I want to thank you guys so much, and I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.